Hello, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and right now we're featuring the Milwaukee M18 compact cordless heat gun. Now there's a million uses for these heat guns, but I'm going to demonstrate here in this video one of the ways that we use it here at the shop. So this cordless heat gun has a temperature of 875 max, and the airflow is rated at 6 CFM. So right here is a vent tube that you see right here in the front, and these are notoriously hard to get on and off or without breaking them because they get rock hard and they can be notoriously hard to find in a hurry. So this is how we use it to help with that. Use the Milwaukee Tools heat gun here. Heat up the end here, get it pretty hot, and that'll make it pliable and flexible again. Enough where you can slide it on out, cracking it. And so we're going to attempt to do it here and see if it works. Doesn't always work, but every now and then we get lucky, and the heat definitely makes it easier to go on. So as you can see, he's applying the heat and a little bit of pressure at the same time, and just kind of slowly working it, and you can see it slip right on without breaking it. Gonna do the exact same thing on here. So next time you're working on a Nissan or anything with these hoses that get rock hard, try using the Milwaukee heat gun, and you just might get it back together without breaking the hose. So like I said, there's a million uses for these, from window tinting, from applying heat to a hose so you can get it back on. So it's definitely one of those tools that I would highly recommend that you have in your toolbox. I will leave links for it down in the description of the video. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.